Okay, here I am in Colmar, Missouri, Suite 280. This is the proposed lumber liquidator location. This is the exterior of the building. You can see behind me we have I-70. You get about 50,000 vehicles a day that run through here, so you have great exposure. There's a big pylon sign out there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. I don't know if we have access to that or not. This building, there was discussion with the loading dock. You can see we have two doors, one here and one here with this ramp. Originally they were talking about popping a loading dock door into this section on grade. Then there was discussion about maybe taking this section out where there's two bathrooms behind and putting a loading dock in there. We do have some grade issues with the way the parking lot slopes that make that a little difficult, but it is possible. Another option, which I was just discussing with the management here, is using a common loading dock, increasing that door to a 10-foot wide door and having access into our space through the back. I'll show you that when I walk inside. In here, the building is around 60 by around 90 is what it is. Oops, open the door. Okay, do a quick pan. There is a bathroom here, then another one behind it. All of this interior walls will be demoed, leaving a wide open space. From that wall at that far side to this wall is 48 feet. In the showroom area, or actually all through this space, we have about a 16-foot high ceiling, I think it is. Let me just verify that measurement real quick. But my question is, do we need to remove the ceiling back in the warehouse portion? Once again, if it's high enough, I don't know if that's required or not. Oop, I'm sorry, your ceiling height is 13'5" in here. It is fully fire suppressed. There's also a question if we can leave the ceiling at this height at the 13'5" in the showroom. Walking back through this section. This goes out to the common corridor back by this loading dock.
And pretty soon the screws.
This common area back here, this is that overhead door I was talking about, which is right back there. That door can be widened to 9 feet, or excuse me, to 10 feet. There was discussion about removing this wall, which was existing bathrooms in here. Possibly removing a section of this wall where this double door is back to this location and putting an entrance to our loading area back through this wall. So in essence, this whole area would be opened up to that common area of the loading dock. The square footage would be reduced from the rent, and we can use that loading dock for offloading the product. They also discussed the use of an elevator, a mini elevator that a forklift can go onto, and would drop them right down to grade that they would cut in at that loading dock door. So this is just going out to the back. All of this would be removed. As you can see, everything is up tight to the joists already, all this ductwork and so on. So in essence, they could take this showroom from this existing wall, come back 24, 25 feet, go straight across, which is 48 feet, and give you a 1,000 square foot showroom or 1,100 square foot showroom, which would bring it right about to this point. Okay, and behind, right, this wall back here be the loading dock entrance, and all back in here would end up being part of this common area where you could offload trucks, turn, and get into our space. I'll walk back through again.
Easy to maneuver.
and this being your loading dock. So the path of travel would be, after extending this door, wiping these walls out, coming back through. This would be opened up to approximately this point, and then walking into our overhead door on the other side of that wall. You guys don't want to be part of the video. Alright. Once again, other option would be to cut a hole in this wall, modify all this grade, and have a truck back in here. It's more just a quick pan of the front. And that's it from Colmar, Missouri.